Hello students, we are going to start with poem 5, The Lazy Frog. It is the chapter of English 1. Now see, on a school day, you are busy studying, playing and chatting with friends. When you have a holiday from school, what do? Would you behave like a little frog in the following poem? So it is telling that when there is a school day, you are busy in studying, you play, you chat with your friends, you talk with your friends. But when there is a holiday, what you are doing at your home? So they are asking you that you are doing like this little frog is doing in the poem. So now let us see that what this frog is doing. Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day upon a log. So it is telling that there is a frog whose name is Fred. So it is a very lazy frog. Fred is the name of the frog and he is very lazy. Who lolls all day upon a log. Lolls means who sleeps all day, means uselessly, not doing anything. So he sleeps all day upon a log. Log means it is a tree which is cut. See here, you can see the picture. So it is the tree which is cut. So he sleeps there all day on a log. He always manages to shirk doing a single stroke of work. So he always manages to avoid the work. Shirk means to avoid work, not to do anything. So he always manages to avoid the work. Doing a single stroke of work means not doing a little thing of work, means any little piece of work. He is not doing any work. His poor old mother calls in vain. So his mother is poor and his old mother calls in vain, means calls uselessly. Come in and help, he does not bother. So his mother asks him to come in and help, but he does not even listen. Not bother means does not even listen to his mother. To move 2 inches, much preferring to be extremely hard of hearing. So he does not even bother, he does not even listen to move 2 inches. He does not move even 2 inches when his mother is calling him, and much preferring to be extremely hard of hearing. So he prefers that he is deaf. He behaves like he is extremely hard of hearing. He does not listen anything and he is deaf. He lies there in a silent heap and stays conveniently asleep. So he always lies there on a log like a silent heap and he stays asleep. He always stays asleep. If a lady frog hops past, you would think he would get up at last. So if any lady frog is going from with him or going past him, means going around him, so you think that he would get up at last. So you think that now he will get up. To bow and help her on her way. To bow means to bend on her, and to help her, to help any lady frog, he would get up and help her. But no, I am ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by, he does not open one eye. So, this frog, the afraid frog, does not even get up, does not even open one eye to help her. Means we are ashamed to say that he does not even look at that lady frog and does not even help him. See here, he is asleep, always asleep on a log. So let us see the exercise of the chapter. So here is the exercise of the poem. New words: lol, log, shirk, vain, bother, preferring, extremely, heap, conveniently, ashamed. Now let us look at the word meanings. Lol, to lie around lazily, means not to do anything, always to remain lie. Log, trunk of a tree that has been cut. I have said you that the tree which is cut is shirk, to not do something you should do, means not doing any. In vain means uselessly. Prefer, like something better. Hard of hearing, that is deaf, means not to hear anything. Bow, to bend your head to show respect. Now rhyming words: log, frog, dog, vein, rain, pain, preferring, hearing, reading, hip, keep, deep, past, last, fast, way, they, say. Now answer the following questions. What did the frog do all the day? So the frog slept conveniently all day on a log. So means frog is doing nothing and he is always sleeping. Besides lazy, what other word can you think of to describe the frog? So lazy, besides lazy we can think shameless, that is lazy. Complete the sentences with reference to the poem. When the frog's mother called him, he pretended to be heard of. Hearing means not to hear anything. When a lady frog hops by, he does not even open one eye. Means if any lady frog is going, so it is not even opening one eye. Did you like the frog's behavior? So no, I don't like the frog's behavior. So here our chapter is completed. I hope you have understood the poem.